Unleash the power of automated phone calls and revolutionize your communication workflows by integrating Twilio and Zapier. Step 1. Let's get your Twilio account ready if you don't have one. Head over to Twilio.com and sign up for a free trial. Once logged in, you'll need to find your account SID and auth token, which are located on your Twilio dashboard. Keep these handy, as we'll need them shortly. Now, let's move on to Zapier. Go to Zapier.com and sign in, or create a new account. If you're new here, think of Zapier as the bridge that connects all your favorite apps. Next, we create a new Zap, which is our automated workflow. We'll start by choosing a trigger. This is the event that will initiate our automated phone call. For this example, let's say we want a call to be made whenever a new row is added to a Google Sheet. So, select Google Sheets as your trigger app and choose the new spreadsheet row event. Now, grant Zapier access to your Google Sheets account and select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet you want to monitor. Make sure the data in your sheet includes the phone number you want to call. Our trigger is set now for the action, the phone call. Search for Twilio in the Action apps and select it for our action. We'll choose Make a Call. Here you'll be prompted to connect your Twilio account. Use the account SID and auth token you found earlier to authenticate. Next, map the fields for the to number field. Select the column from your Google Sheet that contains the phone numbers for the from number. You'll select your Twilio phone number. Finally, we need a call URL. This is a special URL that tells Twilio what to say during the call. You can create this using Twilio Studio or by using a simple text-to-speech URL to greet the person. Hit test to ensure everything is connected correctly. If the test is successful, you can now turn on your Zap. From this moment on, every time a new row is added to your designated Google Sheet, Twilio will automatically make a phone call to the number provided. This is just one simple example. You can automate calls from many other apps like Gmail, Salesforce, or even your CRM. Imagine sending personalized follow-up calls to leads, notifying customers about order status, or reminding people about appointments, all without lifting a finger. Start building your automated communication empire today with Twilio and Zapier. Happy automating!